We've got snoring going on. This should be one of the sounds that people use to help them get to sleep. Okay, we're going to shut this off and let her sleep. Bye. Bye. Bye.